Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places. And our island is
that includes the places and the people we meet. In general, for rich culture. This is
YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3.
Oh yeah. What they want on it? Then I come
Hey guys,
we are back for another episode of YaadMentz Season 3. We're so excited today because we're doing something different today. We're actually just gonna give you an idea of what we're doing today, which is we're at Scotchies right now. We're in Ocho Rios. We'll be spending the day here today. You know his place. And so we just wanted to carry you guys along with us. It's kind of like a vlog, but not really. But we just wanted to mix it up a little bit. So we're here at Scotchies today. We're gonna check out their food. It's a jerk spot in Drax Hall St.
Right.
And then we're gonna go somewhere else next after this, but you guys will see that in the following clip. So stay tuned and enjoy our day in Ocho Rios. Alright, so we decided what we want to eat.
guys, we are here at where? Island Village.
Wow, you didn't even make the answer.
Yes.
Anyway.
Yeah, we're here at Island Village. It's a shopping village in Ocho Rios. It's basically like after you come off the highway, you have a little journey to make. You know, after you pass Dunsriver, or if you're coming from Fern Gully, like it's basically just like right at the edge of, you know, the town of Ocho Rios, right? They have various different shops, little shops, malls, or what you know, you can get like local stuff from like hats, bags, shirts, anything Jamaican. It's basically a tourist attraction, so you can come here and just have some fun. There's a beach, there's Margaritaville. Trust me, the scenery is beautiful.
Yeah, so today we're actually visiting one specific shop in Island Village. It's actually called a Roly Poly. We've been seeing this on Instagram a lot. I think it's fried ice cream, so we're actually gonna go there now and check out all of that. So if you want to see that, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back. So we came to Roly Poly
with some friends. With
some friends. I'm sure you probably see clips of them. This is Orita and this is Shanique, our friends today on our adventure. So I'm gonna ask them what they think since we have a panel of people here today. So Orita, you can go first. What did you think about Roly Poly?
Okay, so first of all, when you go inside, it's really nice. The people are very friendly. That's my first impression. Very friendly, open people. It was very exciting to see them mixing everything together. I've never seen anything like that before. They mix cake with the ice cream and then the different toppings, and it's very, very delicious. You get a lot for the money. I actually don't know if I'll be able to finish it right now.
We finished ours, you know.
Yes, but it's really tasty. It's not overly sweet, and I'm really enjoying it. So.
Which flavor did you have?
Oh yeah, I had red velvet. So they mix the cake with the ice cream, and yeah, you can add any topping you want and whipped cream, and so yeah, it's really good.
It's really good. And I think it was $400 for the one she got. I think we all got one flavor, but you can get 2 flavor signature, anything you want, different toppings. At an additional cost as well.
Right.
And Shanique, what did you think?
Okay, I thought it was great. I'm having a blast. I got the Fruit Loops flavor. And as Orita said, the people were friendly. They greeted us and asked us what we wanted. They were pleasant. Even when they were making and chopping up the gentleman was doing his things, they were smiling and having conversation with us. And as Orita also said, we got a lot because our money's worth. So I felt really good about spending my $400. And I'm still finishing my cup. So it was worth it, and it's tasty.
Yeah, what topping did you get, by the way?
What flavor?
I got Fruit Loops was my flavor, and the topping was whipped cream, chocolate syrup, and gummy worm.
And I think when you get the one flavor, you get to choose one topping, but it also includes the whipped cream and the sauce.
Like pineapple, chocolate syrup. What else?
Caramel.
Caramel syrup
I
as
think
well.
what you had on yours again?
Caramel. I had caramel on top of it with almonds.
With almonds, okay.
We had strawberry cheesecake.
No, we had red velvet.
Right, red velvet.
What
red
is
velvet,
wrong with this brain, guys?
Strawberry up on mine. Strawberry up on mine. But we had red velvet and it was good. Trust me, it's sweet. It's nice. Yo, I would eat like 2 of them.
Yeah, it was really good.
It was good.
It wasn't overly sweet though.
Right.
It was really nice, and you can taste the flavor of whatever it is, because you choose whatever it is. Banana flavor you want, vanilla, and you can taste it. They actually put a slice of red velvet cake on the thing to make it, so you know you taste it good. And they actually put real fruit loops.
It's real red velvet cake, real fruit loops.
Real ingredients, real flavoring.
Right.
Really good.
It was good. It was good. So out of 5, how much would you give?
5.
5 out of 5.
What about you, Arita?
I would say 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
No faults.
I'll say 5 out of 5.
Whoa! They want to mark hard enough.
They want to give a 5 out of 5. It was good. 5 out of 5 for me. Right. The location is nice. It's on Island Village, so you have to come and watch it. Come get this right now. It's a nice small shop, intimate, you know, and you go in there and it's as Shanique and Arita said, it's the staff is friendly, so it's a really good look. It's a really good. You must come and try this. Trust me, come and watch it. Take a weekend off or something.
I'll come check it out.
Yeah.
And if anyone is watching from Roly-Poly, you should open one in Kingston.
Yes, open one in Kingston.
So don't come too far.
Yes, but it's good for the drive out. It's good for the drive out.
Yes.
So guys, thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. We thank our guests today.
Thanks for having us.
Give them a thumb up and comment if you know them, you know, big them up in the comments. And we will see you guys in our next video, but you have to remember to subscribe, to like, share, follow us on YaadMentz on Instagram, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching another episode in YaadMentz Season 3. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Yes, and we want you to also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you missed it. YaadMentz Season 3.